Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to recover a hacked Facebook account. If your Facebook account got hacked or your friend Facebook account got hacked, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to recover the hacked account without any stress on Facebook. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Facebook app. After you open up Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on three slider from the top corner. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on help and support. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on support. Under the support right here, scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Help Center. Go ahead and click on Help Center. So here we go. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Login, Recovery, and Security. Click on that. Then scroll down right here. So here we go. So next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. And then go ahead and click on Recover a Hacked Account. So here we go. If someone hacked your account, visit facebook.com/hack on a device you have used to log into Facebook before. So what you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you type in this particular URL on the phone or devices that you are using to log into your Facebook account. So once you click on the link right here, or you type the URL on the phone or on the laptop that you use to log into that Facebook account, it's going to take you to this interface right here. If you are worried about the security of your account, we can help you. First, can you tell us what is happening? I found a post, message, or event that I didn't create. Someone else got into my account without my permission. I found an account which uses my names or photos. People can see things that I thought were private. I don't see the right option on the list. So you have to make sure you choose any options related to your case right here. Like for instance, if your account got hacked and you find out that some messages or some event or post that you did not create is happening on your account, or suddenly someone changed your Facebook profile as a result of account got hacked, what you need to do is to simply select the first one right here. Once you select the first one right here, you have to make sure you click on continue right here. So once you click on continue, it's going to take you right here. Now, to keep your Facebook account secure, we will take you through a few steps to change your password. Make sure any recent changes to your account came from you. Click on Get Started right here and follow the prompt, and then you'll be able to restore back your Facebook account. If you are using it, if you are helping someone, they can follow the same procedure as well, but they have to do it on a device they use to log into their Facebook account. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.